Did you know that Apple aims to become 100% carbon neutral across its entire supply chain by 2030? That's right, they're not just focusing on their products, but the whole process. As we all know, technology has become a huge part of our daily lives, and with that comes a massive carbon footprint. But some tech giants are taking steps to change that. Apple, being one of the most influential companies in the tech world, has made a bold commitment to go carbon neutral by 2030. This goal isn't just about reducing emissions from their products, but also about making a significant impact across their entire supply chain. From manufacturing to packaging, and even the energy used to power their data centers, Apple is looking at every aspect of their business to make it more sustainable. The question is, can they really do it? And what steps are they taking to make this ambitious goal a reality? Apple has a pretty impressive track record when it comes to innovation and design, but they've also been around for a while. The company was founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne, and it has grown to become one of the world's leading tech manufacturers. Over the years, Apple has made some significant strides in sustainability. They've been using renewable energy sources, like solar and wind power, to fuel their operations. They've also made efforts to reduce waste and increase recycling. However, it's not just about what they've done so far, it's about what they're planning to do next. Apple has outlined several strategies to achieve carbon neutrality. One key approach is increasing their use of renewable energy. They're working to power 100% of their facilities with renewable energy, which includes solar and wind power. They're also focusing on recycling and reducing waste. Apple has a program called Apple Trade-in, which allows customers to trade in their old devices for a gift card. The company then recycles those devices to reduce electronic waste. Another strategy is using sustainable materials in their products. Apple has made efforts to use recycled materials, like recycled tin and gold, in their devices. They're also looking into using more eco-friendly materials in the future. Additionally, Apple is working on reducing the carbon footprint of their products. They're designing products to be more energy efficient and using software updates to optimize battery life. But it's not just about the products themselves. Apple is also looking at the packaging and shipping process. They're working to reduce packaging waste and use more sustainable materials. Furthermore, Apple is collaborating with suppliers to help them transition to renewable energy. This is a crucial step, as a significant portion of their carbon footprint comes from the supply chain. Apple's suppliers play a huge role in their sustainability efforts. By working together, they can make a much bigger impact. The company is also investing in carbon offset projects. These projects help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and support sustainable land use. However, achieving carbon neutrality won't be easy. There are challenges ahead, like ensuring suppliers meet sustainability standards and dealing with the environmental impact of mining materials. Despite these challenges, Apple seems committed to making it happen. But how does their approach compare to other tech giants? Google and Microsoft have also made significant commitments to sustainability. Google has been carbon neutral since 2007 and aims to operate on 24/7 renewable energy by 2030. Microsoft is aiming to be carbon negative by 2030. Each company has its own approach, but they all share a common goal: reducing their environmental impact. As someone who's used Apple products for years, I've noticed some changes. Their packaging is definitely more minimalistic now, and it's clear they're trying to reduce waste. I've also started using their recycling program, which makes it easy to trade in old devices. It's great to see companies taking responsibility for their product's life cycle. So, can Apple really achieve carbon neutrality by 2030? It's ambitious, but not impossible. If anyone can do it, Apple can. The company's efforts won't just benefit the environment, they'll also set a precedent for other tech companies. If Apple succeeds, it could inspire a whole new wave of sustainability in tech. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about sustainable technology trends, check out my related video. Your opinion matters, and I'm curious to hear about your experiences with eco-friendly tech. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on tech and sustainability.